Next thing I'm going to do is create a pole, a street light pole. So I'm going to go make one myself, go to game object 3D, create a cylinder. Let's call it pole. I'm going to resize that to something thinner and something taller coming out of the ground. Is it tall enough? Maybe a little more. Hit the ground. Okay, this looks like a pole now. I'm also going to have another copy of this thing, rotate it a little to make it like a neck. Okay, something like this. So this looks ugly because it's not illuminated for now. So we won't see much of the detail of this pole, but we need to have this placed correctly. So this is my pole. Also, I'm going to make another sphere, bring it here, come over, my friend, and come to this place where we are close to the, it's a bit too big, make it smaller. So we're not going to see too much of a detail of this bulb, but this is where we're going to place our light to become the street light. So these three things are making my street light for now. And now I'm going to make game object light, and this time I'm going to pick a point light. This point light should come here near the bulb so that the bulb is shining. Yeah, you see the bulb is already illuminated a little, but the intensity is too low to hit the ground, so we want it to be closer to the bulb for sure. Slightly lower than that. Now we centered, make sure it's centered. Yeah, now that's better. And then I'm gonna increase the intensity maybe to something like 350 and increase the range so that it hits the ground to something like 20. Yeah, so now you could see I have a pole with a street light. If I want, I can create duplicate of this and move it to the next part, and now I have two street lights, or I could have another here to make 3 street lights. And when I am in my game, I have street lights illuminated. Obviously the detail is not that great, the poles are not that fancy, but they do the trick. So they are illuminating the streets, and this is like a night scene for the street racing, and you could actually see the poles working as streetlights.